Hi ladies, we are so excited for today's video. So we're going to be sharing with you some outfits, styling jeans with flats, but so many of you ladies have been asking when we're going to come out with another jewelry collection. So we're so happy today to let you know that we partnered up once again with Victoria Emerson. We have got a gorgeous collection of 5 pieces that we are so excited to share with you.
Yes, we have been waiting for months to share our new collection. This one we really had in mind like the fall. So if you didn't catch it last time, we did that spring collection. We still love those pieces, but now we've got some great items for the fall to share with you. So we have 5 different pieces, starting with some earrings. We wanted to jump on the button earring trend, so we designed a beautiful button earring. It's kind of like a mid-size button earring in gold color, and it's really cute, really on trend. We think you're gonna love it. But for those of you who like a little something more significant than a button earring, we did design a medium-sized hoop with some texture in it. We are loving hoops, and this is such a great pair that you can wear day or night, just the right size, just the right width. And then we have a bracelet set. So this is a 3-piece set, which is really trending. These are all so easy to put on, which is probably one of my favorite things about this set. One of them is a textured cuff. Then we have a little beaded stretch bracelet that just slides right on. And then we have a little chain link bracelet that actually has a magnetic closure. It just snaps together, and the cuff also snaps together really easily. So 3 bracelets, you can wear them apart, you can wear them together, you can create a whole bracelet party if you like with other bracelets. And then we have some beautiful rings, of course, starting with this little spiraled wraparound ring. We love this look. It's textured, it's chunky. We've shared something similar before, but we wanted to add some texture and some fun little details to ours, and so we absolutely love it. And last but not least, we've got a little traditional like cigar band style statement ring that you can wear on multiple fingers. You can layer it with other rings as well, and so many fun pieces. We're going to be styling each one of these throughout the video with the different outfits we're wearing, because these are everyday pieces that are going to work with everything in your wardrobe.
Now you ladies know I love that classic traditional style, but I also love the comfort of wearing flats with jeans. So here I'm going to share with you how it is that I marry those 2 different styles together. So I am wearing one of my favorite recent finds. This is a beautiful olive green like knit shirt. This one is so soft, super comfortable. I love it in this beautiful like trendy olive green color. It actually has some paneling that's on the side that even makes it a little bit more stretchable and very comfortable to wear. I'm able to roll up the sleeves. It has some buttons to be able to secure it. Obviously, if the weather's a little bit cooler, I could also roll it down. And I decided to wear it with the geometric hoop earrings that I absolutely love, along with the wrap geometric ring and also the set of 3 bracelets. I thought all of them just went so well with this olive green color, and I'm styling them with one of my favorite jeans. So these are definitely a little bit pricier. These are some Mother bootcut jeans that I have shared with you ladies time and time again. They are absolutely one of my favorite pairs. I love the fit of them. These bootcut jeans are really just a fantastic jean if you want to show off your shape but still have a trendier style of jean. These ones are super easy to be able to style with heels, with flats, with sneakers, but for this one, I styled it with those classic 2-tone sling back heels. So this is a pair that we have seen so many times before, but this is such a budget friendly pair at right at under $20. So I absolutely love these ones. I love that classic Chanel type of style with this 2-tone. It does come in several other colors. So if you're looking for a black or even a, vibrant bright red, that's another option that you will find that is also available. But in order just to really play into those neutrals, I styled them with this brand new bag that I picked up. This is a Teddy Blake bag. I love this bag. I love the top handle, having the option to be able to carry it that way or on the crook of my arm. It does also come with a detachable strap, so I can either wear it across the body or on one shoulder. This is one that I took with me for travel. I've also been wearing it a lot just in my everyday life. a little sneak peek, it's gonna be in our favorites video for this month. That's how much I've actually been loving it, and it is gorgeous in this camel brown color.
Okay, so we wanted to share with you some great options for wearing your jeans with flats to be really comfortable, because if you have a casual lifestyle like we do, that's how you're gonna be dressing most of the time in fall and winter. So for this look, I started out with this beautiful deep green top. This is a short sleeve like camp style shirt in this silk fabric. This is from the brand Quince. I recently picked this one up and I really, really love it. I'm definitely gonna order more colors. It is available in a ton of different colors and such a good high quality piece that is so versatile. So I put this one on, and of course I want to mention the jewelry as I go, because these jewelry pieces look beautiful with this gorgeous top. So I styled this one with those hoops that we were talking about. This is a great pair of textured hoops. I love the size of these hoops and the width of them because they're chunky enough to really be seen, but they're not overdoing it. They're really perfect for everyday casual looks. And of course I threw on that little bracelet set. I love this little bracelet set. It works with pretty much everything in my closet. Now moving on from the top, I styled it with the perfect look for last pair of jeans. These are a pair of Levi's that I picked up on Amazon. They look so much like my mother distressed wide leg jeans that I actually have to check the tag when I have them on to remember which pair I'm wearing. These are fantastic. The price point at just around $55, you cannot beat it, and they're so comfortable, and I love the wash of these, so definitely a great find if you're looking for something like this. And I added in a touch of leopard print with these little Mary Jane flats. I love these because they're so comfortable. I could walk in these all day long. I love the leopard print because I love the animal print trend, but these come in so many different options, colors as well as patterns. They are true to size, and when I'm wearing leopard print, I love to add in a little bit of those rich cognac browns. So I added my little cognac brown belt as well as this beautiful little camera bag from Quince. This is such a good one. Definitely has a designer inspired look, holds all the things, and it's super comfortable. A great casual everyday bag.
Loafers are one of my favorite shoes, so of course I wanted to give you guys such a cute, comfy, and cozy loafer look. So here I actually styled this gorgeous cashmere cardigan that I recently picked up from Quince. This is a crop style cardigan in a gorgeous oatmeal color. This is just one of those beautiful like neutral shades that you really can style so effortlessly. It does come in, I want to say 5 or 6 other different shades, but it's such a soft and comfy material. And I styled them with one of my favorite jeans. These are a pair of Pistola high-rise cropped cigarette jeans. I absolutely love the wash of these jeans. These are a little bit pricier. They are currently on sale right now, but I just think that these are such a phenomenal jean. I love the fit of them. I also love the fact that they are cropped because now I get to show off my beautiful penny loafers. So these are a budget-friendly pair. I have this exact pair from the last year's version in black, but when I saw this beautiful brown caramel color, I had to get it. It's under $23. It's such a comfortable shoe to wear. The great thing about this outfit is you could absolutely style it with those same two-tone slingbacks that I share with you. You could style it with a mule, with a ballet shoe. Like, this style of jeans just really works so well with any of the flats that you love that's in your wardrobe. And of course, all of the jewelry pieces I felt like really worked so well with this outfit. Once again, I was styling it with those same exact geometric hoops that I find are so pretty. They're not too big, they're not too small, they're significant enough to really be seen even when your hair is down, along with the geometric wrap ring. This is one that I feel like is a beautiful statement ring, but it's not overly cumbersome, and it also has that trend of the geometric shape in it. And this 3-set bracelet, this is one that I find is so easy to style whether you're wearing them together or wearing the pieces separately.
So for this next look, I wanted to take it up a notch with a blazer. When the weather is a little bit cooler outside, I love to throw on a blazer. And this one is one that I have just been loving. This is my Chloe blazer from Cinquecept. This is an investment piece. However, for those of you who are not looking to invest in a blazer, I have a great look for less from Amazon. So I'll make sure to include that one as well. But if you don't have a great black blazer in your wardrobe, it's definitely a must-have. And I just layered it on top of this little black ribbed tank top. This is just a super basic tank. I'm sure everybody has one, but I'll list my favorite for you as well. And for my earrings, I just switched out those little hoops for this button pair of earrings so that I could share these with you. I love these. I still think that they're chunky enough and big enough to be a little bit significant and be seen through your hair, but also just casual enough that you can wear them with just about anything. And I also switched to this little textured cigar style ring. So this is a fun ring. Now, we don't have all of our sizes in to us yet. We will have them available for you by the time this video comes out. So I'm wearing this one on my ring finger, but I actually would love to wear this on like my middle finger, my pointed finger. You could definitely throw on some other rings as well, but it's such a great ring to kind of mix and match with your other jewelry. And of course, I've got my bracelet set on because it just works with everything. And with this look, I decided to pair it with these high-waisted cuff jeans. So if you haven't tried out the cuff jean style yet, it's definitely a fun one. I really love it. The thing about the cuff jeans that we're seeing now is they're in a more relaxed fitting denim. This is like a wide leg pair, so you really need the cuff to be sewn into the jeans in order for it to stay in place. When we used to wear those skinny or slim fit jeans, of course you could just cuff anything, but with this wider leg type of jean, you definitely need a sewn in cuff. This is a great pair that I really, really love. And with these jeans, I threw on some new shoes. These are from Kate Spade. They're the Veronica pointed toe shoes, flats. They have the slightest little heel at the bottom. I think it's 1 inch or less, so it's perfect for those of you who don't like a perfectly flat shoe. I know for some of you that can cause some trouble with your feet and you like a little bit of a heel. This one is great. The pointy toe makes it super chic, and I picked it up in this gorgeous cognac brown shade. And last but not least, the handbag I'm using. This is a great look for less. This is one of those handbags that has really been seen everywhere lately. I've seen it on every Instagrammer. It's all over the place, and it's just this beautiful bag. This one has the handles that you can carry this way, or you can also use the strap to make it like shoulder or even crossbody, but I love the shape of this bag. This is in a faux suede. It also comes in faux leather as well. This is an Amazon look for less. Definitely a hot bag. I'll for sure make sure I include that link down below, as with everything. But once again, you can see how all of these jewelry pieces just work with everything.
One of the tops that I think that every woman should own is some kind of mock neck or turtleneck in the color black. So I thought this one would be a great outfit to create, because I know a lot of you ladies might also already have this piece in your wardrobe, but if not, I wanted to share with you a great short sleeve mock neck that I recently picked up. So this style of top really is just a classic style. I mean, I usually think of like Audrey Hepburn when I'm thinking of like a black turtleneck of some kind, or even Marilyn Monroe. And this one I actually had picked up not only in the black, but also in this beautiful dark brown shade. It is also available in a white, but this is a great shirt to have if you want to wear it on its own. You could also easily style it underneath a blazer or a moto jacket. You could also take a chambray shirt or even a plaid shirt and style it underneath. But I wanted to take this classic top and style it with these adorable button earrings. So these are also a very classic shape. I thought the two really played so well off of each other. This shape and this size I think is just perfect for really like leaning into that classic style. And one of the types of bottoms that I like to wear when I am wearing more of a fitted top are wide leg jeans. So these are hands down one of my favorite wide leg jeans that I recently picked up and have shared with you ladies. I think the wash of these jeans are perfect for wearing all year round. They also come in 3 different lengths: petite, tall and regular. I picked it up in petite. Because it is a high-waisted wide leg jean though, they do run a little bit big, so I would recommend going down a size. But as you can see, because it is more of a relaxed fitting jean, it just works so well with this more fitted mock neck short sleeve top. And of course, you know that black is one of my favorite colors, so I had to style them with these cute black ballet shoes. Ladies, these are for under $13. Ridiculously budget friendly, but oh, so comfortable. I have worn these like running errands. I've gone to comedy shows with my son and styled them and felt like super comfortable, but also really cute going out at night. These are just a great pair. They are available in so many different colors and also even in a beautiful leopard print. And I styled it with this quilted bag. So this is a tote bag, another budget friendly one that I have shared with you ladies. This one has a lot of different color choices, but I loved how the strap that has a little bit of gold chain link really plays off of the beautiful gold jewelry that we're also sharing with you in our collection. So I thought it went great with the bracelet set, in addition to also the ring that I'm wearing. I thought everything just, you know, was really a great, comfortable, casual flats with jeans look.
This season, we have been seeing a ton of striped cardigans, definitely trending right now. Of course, stripes are always classic, but for sure, we're just seeing a lot of them everywhere, and especially in sweaters and cardigans. So I love this little cardigan. This is really just such a great look for the fall going into the winter season. And this one is super budget friendly. This is an Amazon find. It's right around $32. I picked it up in the khaki color, which is this beautiful like tan and black striping, but it does come in 6 different striped options. It is true to size. I really like this one because it's not overly bulky. So if you're looking for a cardigan that you can wear as a top and give it a little bit of a tuck, you really want to find one that's not super bulky. It adds a lot of extra fabric that you have to then work with. This one is perfect. I think it's such a great classic piece. And I styled it with one of my favorite pairs and oldest pairs of jeans in my collection. This is a pair by Mother Jean. These are the Tripper Flood jeans. Now I did cut these. They have a raw hem, but I bought these well over a year ago and I gave them a little bit of a cut to get them to my perfect length, which is one of the beautiful things about a raw hem is that you don't have to worry about it. You can make it whatever length you want. I love this pair because they have the button front. They're so comfortable. I love the wash. And these are one of my most versatile pairs of jeans for styling with different shoes because they're long enough that I can wear them with like an ankle boot, and the ankle boot will go right up underneath the jean, but they also show a little bit of skin if I want to wear them with something like a mule or a loafer. So speaking of the shoes, I put them with this loafer mule. I love this one. This is in a black crinkle type of material. These are currently on sale. I love a loafer look because it is so classic, but I really like when my shoes are slip-on, so these are perfect, and they come in several different color options. And going back a bit to the jewelry, I just wanted to mention I'm wearing all the jewelry again, but this time I swapped out for those little textured hoops that I really, really love, and I swapped out for that little wraparound ring, and of course the bracelet never left my arm with all of these outfits. It's such a great piece. And for my handbag, I've got a new little purse here. This is a little Kate Spade bag. It definitely looks even more expensive. It's just a great like mid-range, mid-price bag, but in a very, very high quality leather. I love this bag. You can wear it as handheld or you can throw on the strap and use it as a shoulder bag, but definitely a great piece if you're looking for a great everyday bag. This one also comes, I believe, in 1 or 2 other color choices.
Okay, so we hope you enjoyed today's video. Once again, we're so excited about our new collection coming out. We hope you ladies really enjoy this fall jewelry collection that we came up with Victoria Emerson. If you are looking for some more content, be sure to check out our Amazon haul. We have lots of great pieces that are perfect to wear right now and also in the winter season. We hope you ladies have a great week, and we will see you next time.